We are here. Where's Kim? Yung mga dalaga. Mga dalaga, nasa na?
Ganda yung brown and black harap na kayo. Bye-bye.
Sa wakas! Joke lang. Ang dalaga. Bagong ano? Bagong ano? Wow! Look at you guys! Mga dalaga! Took so long!
Bago yung tawid eh.
Meron si Ate Faith mo.
What's the rule?
Never let the girl wait down.
Golden rule!
She can wait ah.
Look at this place.
Oh my god.
Wow!
Take it back. I'm hungry
So
again.
good! Yo! Food trip! Wow, look at this place, it's so good. There's more food out there.
Shawarma po, shawarma. 300.
Salamat!
Sarap po.
Let's try this!
Baka matumi yung ano ko din.
Oh, sarap naman!
Barbecue.
Barbecue! Wow, that is our
Glizzy.
Ate's favorite!
It's a glizzy.
Alright, good.
Woo! First time!
You dip it with the soda. You have to dip it.
A little bit. I dip a little bit. Masarap naman. I think this is my second time.
Okay, balik naman.
Give it to the dice here.
Okay, Carl. If it's ano,
Saan ba ba?
yeah. It's like that.